Hi, my lovely babies. I'm making crab boil today. Okay, we got some lemon, we got some celery, we got some peppercorns going in there, we got some bay leaf, you gotta add that. Okay, this is my homemade chili flakes. Okay, you can put that or don't. Okay, we got a whole onion quartered, and I gotta get these sausages up out of here. Okay, because they've been in there for a minute and I want them to give my boil flavor. So I chopped them, cut them, whatever, in thirds and threw them in there. Stir it up a little bit. We're just getting our water ready for our crab. Here go our red and yellow small tiny potatoes. And yep, throw that corn. I like my corn a little I like it a little cooked. I don't like my kernels real crunchy, so I just cooked them before then. Okay, that same water, we gonna put the broccoli in. Okay, we ain't gonna cook the mess out. We turn that water off. Just let that broccoli seep. Okay, not very long. Okay. So now we're gonna make that sauce, that beautiful, delicious sauce. We're starting with four whole sticks of butter. Okay, if you are on a diet, do not, or figure out like another way. But this is how I'm eating. Okay, so we gonna throw that crab on up in there. Just let it sit on top. It's gonna cook from that steam. You know what I'm saying? You try to get in that water, let it get that flavor too. But yeah, okay. Back to the sauce. Okay, now there go on the screen. Okay, right there. That Cuban MOJO is not required. It's delicious, not required. You can add Creole seasoning to replace that. Okay, so throw that in there. That was about 3 tablespoons each. I think the paprika was 4 tablespoons. Anyway, I'm gonna put it in the description. Okay, guys. So follow along with me. Okay. Okay, that's fresh oregano. The garlic, lemon, pepper, Old Bay. That's about 3 tablespoons of each of those. Okay. That oregano, if you have dried oregano, please use that. I did not have it. Okay. So fresh or dry, it don't matter. Okay, it matters, but it don't matter. It's still gonna be good. All right, you guys. So stir that up. Gonna let that simmer away for a bit. Oh, yep, the garlic. Oh, and we add lemon juice. See, I done forgot my own recipe. Okay, so we let that sit up in there. I like to add more garlic. I did not have enough, but you can substitute with garlic powder if you don't have fresh garlic or whatever. Just get that garlic in there, baby. That's all we looking for, is that garlic up in there. You ain't got to be fancy. Listen, times is hard. Okay, now we gonna cook our scallop. I didn't want to boil them or steam them. I like my scallop like pan fried. So I'm just using the pan that the sauce is in. Okay, why waste not, want not? Y'all know, okay, let's just use everything. Okay, times are hard again. Times are hard, okay? So we just going to sear them. You know what, I got to check. But I think it's 3 minutes per side. Okay, maybe 2. So let me check. I'm going to put it in the description. Okay, don't quote me. Check that description. Okay, it also depends on the size. Okay, these were medium, so I'll put it in the description. Okay, so sear them off real quick, get them a little caramelized. Use the rest of that sauce on them babies and enjoy ourselves. So now we're gonna plate. Okay, we're gonna plate our boil, and you can throw the celery in it, because look, the celery is delicious. And the little all that, I eat all that. Okay, just not the peppercorn, that's nasty. But we pour that in there, and now we're going to plate. You want your stuff to look good. See what? Anyway, you want your stuff to look good, right? Okay, so let's make it pretty as we possibly can. Okay, we wanna drool when we see it. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward so you can just see the little process, because it could be a lot at times. Okay, y'all. Pour that sauce on top. Yeah, buddy. Layer that broccoli. And you're gonna throw some lemon wedges, because the sauce is a bit tart, but I like tart. I like the lemon. I love it. There we go. Absolutely delicious, you guys. We gonna sit up here. We gonna eat this food. Tonight it's just RJ, the baby, and my babe. Everybody else is busy. They got things to do, but we gonna eat. We gonna enjoy ourselves. And I'm gonna be super grateful that you guys are watching. Whoever is watching, I've been getting super support. I really appreciate you guys. I don't have a whole bunch of subscribers and I don't get a whole bunch of likes, but I get 1 or 2, or I get 10 or 20, and I'm very grateful and thankful that y'all can learn the things that I've learned, and I continue to give you. Look at baby, tearing that broccoli. It had no sauce, y'all, I swear. He was tearing that broccoli